Today, I'll show you how to manage user roles in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your team management, understanding how to handle user roles is crucial for maintaining an organized and efficient workflow. Let's dive into the details. First, you'll want to navigate to the right place in HubSpot. Start by going to the settings. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon typically located in the upper right corner of the HubSpot dashboard. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the users and team section and then click on users. This section is your central hub for managing all user related functionalities. So it's good to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Now that you're in the users section, it's time to select the users whose roles you want to manage. You'll notice a list of all the users associated with your HubSpot account. Here you can check the box next to a single user or multiple users. This feature is especially handy if you want to apply changes to several users at once, saving you a lot of time and effort. With your selected users ready, look towards the top for the Edit Permissions button. Clicking this button will bring up a new set of options for you to explore. This is where you'll be able to customize what each user can access or modify within your HubSpot account. You'll then see the option to apply a permission set. Permission sets are predefined roles that detail what a user can and cannot do within your HubSpot account. If you've created specific roles that align with your organizational needs, you can now assign these roles to the selected users. Simply choose the permission set you've created from the list. This ensures that your team members have access to the tools and information they need to perform their roles effectively without compromising the security or integrity of your overall system. Managing user roles effectively is a key component of leveraging HubSpot to its fullest potential. By following these steps, you can ensure that everyone on your team has the appropriate level of access they need to contribute to your business goals efficiently and securely. Remember, the right permissions not only streamline your operations, but also protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. As a final tip, regularly review your user roles and permissions. As your team grows or shifts responsibilities, you might find it necessary to update these roles to reflect new workflows or priorities. This proactive approach helps maintain order and ensures everyone can work seamlessly within HubSpot. So there you have it. Managing user roles in HubSpot is straightforward once you know where to look and what to do. With these steps in mind, you'll be well equipped to handle user management effectively. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other HubSpot tutorials for more tips and tricks.